Here's an example of the link you can use to share to make money through emails. This is a CPA link, cost per action. First of all, you need to find a link that you want to share. Today's tutorial, I will use one from one of my YouTube videos. Here's a link I have found from earlier. I'm going to copy and paste it into the monetization tool on the left, under URL and file lockers. The link for the tool, the website you see me using today, will be in the description of this video. Please check it out to start making your money today. You can withdraw the money through PayPal later on. Click on create the URL and click I agree with the terms of service and press continue. Paste the URL into the box on the left and choose the options you would like for your link and how many offers will be on that page. Next, you can use the URL and share it with your friends using Reddit, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook and any other kind of website out there that you know of that will get a lot of people's attention to the thing. I preferably use YouTube to promote my links. I have chose today to have 10 offers on the page, and then you press create and you can choose a shortened link for your page using the get links button on the top right. This is where you can make custom URLs and shorten them and share them with your friends. I have found some links. I prefer the one called bulk tracker as it looks less fishy and doesn't look like a very dodgy URL. Bearing in mind this is a very safe website to use and you should not be scammed or spammed in any circumstances. Okay, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to like and subscribe and share it with all your friends. Peace.